Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm sorry, the last video which I uploaded, I guess there was no audio, so I'm sorry for that. Anyway, let's start. Yeah, the course is this set of videos, because some of my students, they told me, John, I don't have Microsoft project. Okay, and can you please teach me how to do early start, early finish, late start, late finish, let's say the Gantt chart in Excel. Okay, we're going to add resources, everything. So yeah, I'm going to teach you this. So what I want you to do is sit back and enjoy the class, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's start. Let me know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is, let's say activity A has a duration of 3, cost. So what you do is, you see here, we will make it, let's consider this duration, template duration, and this is the total cost. Okay, they said 4. So what actually he means to say, they written it 4 per day. Okay, $4 or something like that. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you're going to add this number here. Okay, I'll teach you what to do. So I say 4, 4, 4. You need to make sure 3 comes here. Duration is due, and the total cost should be sum. I'm teaching how to do this template also. That's alright. Okay. Formula. Okay. So yeah, 4. Okay. Next one is B. B does not have any prerequisite, precedence. Okay, so we said 4 again. We're going to put this number 4. It's not this number. It's going to put this number. So you will be seeing 4 here. Okay, for this case, you will be seeing 4 both ways. But anyway, yeah, you should be seeing 4 here. Okay, done. C, B is over. Let's go to C. C does not have any precedence. So you can say, where was I? Okay, 3, 3, 3. Look at this. D depends on C, has a duration of 2, each has 5 days. Duration of 2, I must be 2, beautiful. Okay, similarly, E depends on B, you must be careful here. Okay, has a duration of 1, cost 6. Okay, I should see this column should be equal to this. Okay, this is the way you check it actually. Okay, let's keep moving forward. F, where is F? F is here. Depends on A. F depends on A. Okay, F depends on A. Beautiful. 3, I must be seeing 3 here. Okay, and F finishes, yeah, is finish start relationship. Okay, G depends on B. 2 days. Okay, beautiful. H depends on B. H depends on the B, has a duration of 3 days. So okay, I depends on C, so it should start here. 11, but I'll put 1 extra. Okay, depends on C. J depends on D and E. D is here. Okay, beautiful. So you're going to look at 6 here. Yeah. J we said, right? Yeah. 10. 10. K depends on upon F and G. F is looking somewhere here. 1, a cost of 10. Okay. L depends upon K. Okay, L depends upon K and 444. Beautiful. M depends on H and J. Where is J? H and J. So you're looking somewhere here. 4. So just double check. Take this number 3 3 4 4 3 3 2 2 1 1 5 2 3 11 3 1 4 4. Beautiful. Okay, what you're going to do now? Okay, so you say this is the cost per day. Cost per day, give us sum. Okay. Can you hear me now? Yeah. Okay, good. This is cost per day. Put it for everything and then we can delete if we don't want. Oops, became too big. Beautiful. Okay, then what you're going to do is, this is called cumulative cost. Okay, 1 minute. Hey, how come the numbers became small? Okay, looks good. What we'll do is maybe make it a bit bigger. Okay, done. Okay, just double check. Okay, A is here, doesn't have a pre-review, so it starts on day 1. Okay, remember this is doing a Gantt chart. We're going to start on day 1. It takes a duration of 3 days. 3 is done. Yeah, this is over. B has a duration of 4 days. See, okay. D depends upon C. Okay. E can only start after B finishes. Beautiful. F, A finishes. Beautiful. G, B finishes. Okay. H also same thing. I, this is actually a straightforward question. J, D and E. Okay, like suppose D was forward. Okay, he would be moving forward. K depends on F and J. F and G, sorry. On K. H and J. Beautiful. Okay. So duration of this project is 14 days. Okay. So remember, so you're going to say this is your duration. Okay, you won't highlight this one, but you get the picture what I'm trying to convey message. Okay, I'm trying to make this as a template for future use. Okay, 14. Okay, now what you're going to do is we're going to do the late start. Late start means what? Start from the last date. Okay, maybe if you didn't understand the last video, I will have taught how to do. Okay, one more thing is how to calculate free slack. Okay, free slack. This is the early start, right? Yeah, this is the Gantt chart. Okay, look at this. Now A depends on what? F. Only depends. Sorry, F depends upon A, or A depends. There's a link between them. So where is F now? Here. Okay. So if I move 1 day, even F will change. So I can say free slack for this guy. We're going to write here Fs. We're going to prove it later. If you have time to prove it, 0. Okay. Okay. B depends upon what? E. F and H. Sorry, we said E, F. No, this doesn't look good. Sorry, E. Sorry, E, H, and E. Sorry, where is this? E, G. Sorry. Okay, G and H. We said E is here, G is here, H is here. Okay, beautiful. So if I move B by 1 day, will this all affect? Yes. So I can say free slack is 0. Okay. C. Let's go to C. C depends on what? D. Again, you cannot move with this one, isn't it? Yeah. Even I, isn't it? Cannot move. C cannot be moved. You will get an example first time. D. D depends on J. Where is J? J is here. D is here. Not possible. Is there any other D? No. So 0. E. E depends on J. E is here. J is next one. Cannot. 0. F. F is K. Where is F? Is here. K is, wow, 0. Okay. G. G depends on K. Now where is G? Is here. K is here. So you have 2 slacks, free slacks. Okay. Just double check. G depends on K. K is here. Where is K? Is here. For me to get this number to end, isn't it, to a number? So we said 2. But we said H now. H, M. Where is M? M is here. H is where? Here. So we have 1. In the, I think the last video I have not spoken. I think it will be a bit difficult for you. If you concentrate, you can get the message. Anyway, I depends on, I doesn't have anyone here. Okay, doesn't matter. I think it's the critical because we have 0. J. J goes down with M. Where is M? M is here. J is here. 0. Okay. Okay. K depends on F and G. Sorry, yeah. K down goes to L. Where is K and L? I'm sorry. This is K, this is L, so 0. Okay, this is free slack. L. L depends on, L is nothing here. But isn't it? So we can say 1. M. M. We don't have any here, right? No, so delete this, and we have 2 here. Okay, what we will do is, just to prove my answer, okay, we will do this question network diagram. Okay, it will be done now. Maybe in a couple of minutes it will be done. Anyway, so let me go to the free. Sorry, this is early start. Now we're going to go late start to get. This is free slack, isn't it? We're going to get total slack. Total slack means how much an activity can be moved without affecting its duration. Now this is 14 days duration, isn't it? Okay, this is the cumulative cost. This is the cumulative cost. This total of this would be this. Okay. Okay. Let's go down and let's start. We said 14, so we don't move beyond 14. Yeah, this is the one. So we will stop here. We don't have N. Okay. If you want, what we can do is making this as a template. Do you think this guy is taking the 1 also? No. Okay, good. Okay, beautiful. Start with M. M is not here, isn't it? You see on the predecessor, sorry. Is M here? No. So it will start on the last day, 14th. Okay. And M has a duration of 4 but 2. Okay. Next one, L. L, can you see L this side? No, cannot see. Can you see L? This is L, right? Can you see it here? No, you cannot. That's why maybe in the earlier video you would be seeing me doing something like this. Maybe you didn't speak lots. Okay, let's move forward. L. L depends on K. Oh, sorry, L doesn't have anyone here. There's no L, so we can start here. We're gonna put 4. Oh, sorry, 4. Beautiful. Okay. K. I see K here. Yeah, so it should start before that, and it is just 1, 10. Okay, go to J. Can you see J here? Yeah, we can see J. J depends on M. Where is M here? So it has to be here. Okay, J we said, right? And we said 10, 10, 10. Okay, beautiful. I. Can you see I here? No, we can't see it. We saw J, we saw K, we didn't see L. So I can start here. What is I? It is a duration of 11, 4. Okay. Beautiful. H. H, can you see here? We can see it is M, based on M. So where is M here? So it should be here. H is how much? Duration 3. Put 3. Beautiful. G. Can you see G here? We can see. So it depends on K. Can you see K? K is the red one. K is the red one. Yeah, so you see here. Okay, and we said what are we talking about? G, right? G is duration 2, so 8. F, go to F. Where is F now? F is here. F is K. So where is K? Is red. So we should be here. Oops. See, K is here. Here. F is how much? 5. Beautiful. E. Can you see E here? We see E here. E is J. How much is E? Sorry, E is 1 but having 6. Okay, beautiful. Okay, D. Where is D now? D is, can you see D? We can see he needs J. J and only J. Okay, J is here. D should be here. We're talking about D, and you said 5 but 2 days. Okay. C depends on, okay, this is a good question. Depends on D and depends upon I. Now we have D and I, so it has to be here. Okay, look here, we say here. We said 3 and we said 3. Beautiful. Okay. B depends on E, B and H. We said E, G and H. We said E, so E is here, B has to be here, isn't it? Nothing is, yeah. How much is B? 4. 4. Okay. A depends on F. F is here, should be here. How much? 4. 4. Does not matter. Does not. A is not a critical activity. Okay. Just double check. You'll be seeing 3 4 3 2 1 5 2 3 11 3 1 4 4. Just check the precedence. M doesn't have anyone. L does not have anyone. K depends on L. J depends on M. Beautiful. I can't see here, so he starts here. H depends on M. G depends on G. Can you see here? We can see G depends on K. F depends on K. Where is K? K is here. Beautiful. Okay. E depends on J. Now where is J? J is here. Okay. D depends on J. Where is J? Okay, beautiful. C. Just a second. Okay. I think I did a mistake. Where is J? C and I. I is here. D is there. Yep. Beautiful. And B. Where is B? B is here. We said E. G. What was the other one? E, G, and H. We're talking about B, right? Yeah. And A does only depends on F, I guess. Yep. F and next one. Yep. Beautiful. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this with this. So 2 minus 1, 1. This is total slack. Okay. This is 3. We started at 3. This is 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So we have 2 days, right? Just look at this. He started at 1. This guy started at 2. So we can say here 1, here 1. Can I say I said 1 and 2 we said. Okay. This guy is starting at the same place. So 0. This guy is starting here, but yeah, so we can say put it easiest way. This guy is 6 and this guy is 4, so 2. Okay, so put this guy 2, this guy 2. So you will be ending down at 7, isn't it? Yep. Where am I? We said E, right? Yeah. E goes here. Starts at 7. This guy starts at 5. 1. 5 minus 1. Sorry, 5 minus 7 minus 5. 2. Isn't it? We said 6. See, better to see the start date. 1 minute. E is 5. Yeah. 2 days. 6. Sorry. 2. Yeah. 2. 2. Mm. 5. 4. 1. You will understand what I mean. starts at 8. What is funny is that I guess I am highlighting the wrong numbers. So what I'll do is just make it again. Okay, let's say D6 2. Okay, beautiful. E minus Okay, so what you're going to see is wherever there is 0, okay, let him give me a yellow sign. So that is the critical activities. So we say critical is C and I. C and I. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Okay, in the next video I show you how do we prove this answer. We have proved it one way. I show you another way how to prove this answer. Okay. Hope everybody enjoyed this class. We see each other in the next class. Take care. Bye.